Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 8th class, Assalamu alaikum. And Aziza Fatma, your English teacher, welcomes you to the YouTube channel of Multan Public School and College for Boys and Girls. Today we are going to read chapter 8, Hockey, from your textbook at page number 46. Dear students, do you know which is the national game of Pakistan? Yes, hockey is the national game of Pakistan. Field hockey being the national sport of the country, Pakistan national team has been ranked as the #1 team in the world from 2000 till 2001 by FIH, and former captain Suhail Abbas holds the world record for the most international goals scored by a player in the history of international field hockey with a tally of 348 goals. Wasim Ahmed holds the record for Pakistan appearances, having played 410 times between 1996 and 2012. Pakistan is known for having fierce rivalry with India, having a record of playing each other in South Asian Games and Asian Games finals. They have competed against one another in 20 major tournaments finals so far, out of which Pakistan has won 13 titles in total. Pakistan has a record of winning the first three championship of Hockey Asia Cup in 1982, 1985, and 1989 against India in row. Pakistan's more ground in National Hockey Stadium in Lahore, and the current team head coach and manager is Khaja Muhammad Junaid. Let us read the chapter. Paragraph 1. Sports and physical education are fundamental, mean essential to the early development of children and youth. It means for the growth, for the development of children and young youth, sports and physical education are essential, necessary. The skills learned from sports contribute, mean takes part to the entire development of young people. Through participation in sports, they learn about the importance of key values, mean basic values such as honesty, teamwork, fair play, respect for themselves and others, and adherence of laws. Adherence means to obey something. They learn how to obey rules. Now look at the question. What are the key values that young people learn from sports? Question is, it is WH question and it is in present tense. You can start your answer from the key values that young people learn from sports are honesty, teamwork, fair play, respect for themselves and others, and adherence of rules. Now, second paragraph. There are many sports played worldwide. The top 5 sports are football, cricket, basketball, hockey, and tennis. Among all these, hockey is our national game. It is played throughout the country. Many countries of the world started playing hockey in the 19th century. It became very popular, very famous in Great Britain. British soldiers brought this game to the subcontinent. Who brought this game to the subcontinent? British soldiers. When Great Britain occupied this part of the world, which part? The subcontinent, Pakistan and India, in the 19th century. So, in the history of Pakistan, hockey is as old as that of the country itself. Now look at the question. In which century did many countries start playing hockey? So, did and start. You have to write answer in past tense. Many countries started playing hockey in the 19th century. Or you can write, many countries of the world started playing hockey in the 19th century. It is the history of hockey. Then paragraph 3, between 1956 and 1986, Pakistan recorded extraordinary conquests, conquests mean victories, ghair mamuli fatuhat, which are still unmatched, which are still beyond comparison. इनका मुकाबला ही नहीं है, बेमिसल है. 3 times during this period, Pakistan won the Olympic and World Cup crowns. The Asian Games title was won 6 times and the Champions Trophy in the first 2 years of its inauguration. Inauguration means opening, formal opening, iftatah. 2 times Pakistan held Asian, Olympic and World Cup crowns, 3 of the world's most prestigious titles. Prestigious means of high reputation, namvar. No other hockey playing country has achieved this victory in the history of the game so far. Now look at the question. How many times did Pakistan win the Asian Games title? Did and win. So you will write second form of win and it is won. Pakistan won the Asian Games title for 6 times. Now look at paragraph 4. Players undertake different positions in hockey. They are attackers, midfielders, defenders, and goalkeeper. Who remains goalkeeper, who remains in his team's shooting area. What is shooting area? Ball फेंकने वाला दायरा. Protecting the area. Each team consists of 16 players, 11 on the field and 5 in the interchange area. What is interchange area? Players को तब्दील करने वाले मैदान. यानी 5 जो होते हैं वो एक्स्ट्रा होते हैं ताकि इनमें से कोई अगर चेंज करना पड़े तो उन 5 में से उसे रिप्लेसमेंट कर देते हैं. Players use their actual players. How many actual players in the field? Those are 11. Players use their hockey stick to control, pass, push, and hit the ball. The objective of the game is to get the ball into the opposing team's goal. What is the objective of the game? WH question, and it is in present tense, and you have to start your answer from the. The objective of the game is to get the ball into the opposing team's goal. The team that scores more goals, the team that scores more goals wins the match. Now, paragraph 5. The match consists of 2 periods of 35 minutes with a short half-time break of about 5 to 10 minutes. If there is an even score means equal score or tie at the end of the regulation time mean for one round 35 minutes, then break of 5 to 10 minutes and then 35 minutes. 2 extra time period of 7.5 minutes can be given. The first team to score a goal during this time, which time? Extra time, is the winner and the game stops. This is called the golden goal rule. If there is still a tie at the end of extra time, penalty strokes will decide a winner. So question is, what is the golden goal rule? WH question, and you have to write it in present tense. The first team which scores a goal during extra time is the winner and the game stops. This is called the golden goal rule. Clear? Now, paragraph 6, it is second last paragraph. Women also actively take part in the game. An international women hockey tournament was held in Lahore in 1996. Pakistani women hockey team participated in it. Pakistan women hockey is still thriving. Thriving means growing, developing, and making its way to the international level. Question is, where and when was an international women hockey tournament held? You have to write place and the year when it was held. You can write an international women hockey tournament was held in Lahore place in 1996 when, or you can write an international women hockey tournament was held in Lahore in 1996. Now the last paragraph, it is about the achievements of hockey team in Pakistan. The following titles were won by Pakistan. The first Asian Games hockey title was won by Pakistan in 1958 Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. The first World Cup was won by Pakistan 1971 Barcelona. Barcelona is a city of Spain. The first Junior World Cup was won by Pakistan 1978 Versailles. And where is Versailles? Versailles is in Paris. The first champion trophy was won by Pakistan 1978 Lahore. The first Asian Cup was won by Pakistan 1982 Karachi. Now look at the question. Which titles were won by Pakistan? Answer is were won. It means you have to write your answer in past tense. The following titles were won by Pakistan. The first Asian Games hockey title was won by Pakistan 1958 Tokyo. The first World Cup was won by Pakistan 1971 Barcelona. The first Junior World Cup was won by Pakistan 1978 Versailles. The first champion trophy was won by Pakistan 1978 Lahore. The first Asian Cup was won by Pakistan 1982 Karachi. So it was the last paragraph. And next is glossary, vocabulary, words meanings. Words are given and then their meanings as well. What is your work? You have to learn and write them in your notebooks. And the next activity is question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, who brought the game of hockey to the subcontinent? Did you remember? British soldiers brought the game of hockey to the subcontinent. Then question number 2 is, instead of who you will write British soldiers and rest of the statement. British soldiers brought the game of hockey to the subcontinent and then full stop. Next question is, what are the top 5 sports played worldwide? WH question, what are present tense? So you will write the top 5 sports played worldwide are, which are they? It was written, yes, in second paragraph. The top 5 sports are football, cricket, basketball, hockey, and tennis. Come back to question answers. Come back to questions. Yes. Okay. Question number 3 is, how many players are there in each team? If you write only, there are 11 players in each team. Up till here, then you have to write 11 players because you have to write the number of players over here. But if you write from the text, then you have to write each team consists of 16 players. You will not stop here. You will write completely 11 on the field and 5 in the interchange area. So you can write this answer in both ways. Next is, do you think women hockey team has a future in Pakistan? Yes, I think women hockey team has a bright future in Pakistan because it is still thriving and making its way to the international level. So what is left? Yes, your home task. And your home task is read chapter 8 carefully and then write the answers of the questions in your notebooks. Learn spellings of difficult words of chapter 8. Learn and write glossary of chapter 8 in the textbook. Solve exercises B, C, and D of chapter 8 on the textbook. Okay. So you have to watch that video lecture at least for 3 times and be prepared for your discussion lesson. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.